will teach you class 7 mathematics chapter number 2 fractions and decimal. Today I will teach you about the fraction. First I will tell you what is fraction. So fractions, the number of p by q where p and q are natural number is known as fraction. So fraction means this is form p by q form. Okay. Now fractions have two parts. The upper part is known as numerator and the downside part is known as denominator. D for down. You remember in this way denominator, D for down and D for denominator also. Now we will discuss about the types of fraction. So first one is that is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means here numerator is smaller number and denominator is greater number. See 2 by 4, 4 by 5, 6 by 10. Here see the numerators are smaller number and denominator are bigger number. So now I will move to the improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fractions are those fractions where numerator are greater number and denominator are smaller number. See 11 by 3, 25 by 12, 42 by 23. Okay. So here numerator are greater number and denominator are smaller number. Now I will move to the third. Third is mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means it is a mixture of whole number and one fraction. See here 1 is whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. So this is called a mixed fraction. Here 4 is a whole number and 5 by 7 is a fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. Then 7 is a whole number. 9 by 3 is a fraction. Now I will move to the fourth. Fourth is like fraction. In like fractions, denominators are same. See here 13, here also 13, here also and here also. So in like fractions, all the denominators are same. But in unlike fraction, the denominators are not same. See here 2, 4 and 6 means denominator are not same. That's why it is a unlike fraction. Now we will learn about the fraction conversion. So we convert the fraction. So first one is converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. See here I will take a mixed fraction example. So how we convert into the improper fraction? See this is a mixed fraction. Means it is a mixture of whole number and fraction. Okay. So first we write the denominator same as it is. See we write this denominator 4 as it is, no change. Then we have to multiply this denominator by this whole number. So 4 ones are 4. Then we have to add, okay, plus 3. So 4 ones are 4. Here we got 4. Okay. Then we add 3. So 4 plus 3 we got 7. So our answer is 7 by 4. Now I will take another example of mixed fraction. See here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 5 is a fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. So see we write this denominator as it is. Now we multiply this denominator with a whole number. So 2 multiplied by 5 we got 10. Okay. Now we have to add 10 plus 1 we got 11. So our answer is 11 by 5. Now I will move to the second point. Second point is converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So why we convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction? When we solve any sum, means हम कोई भी sum solve करेंगे, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When our answer will come in improper fraction, then we have to convert this answer into the mixed fraction. Okay. Now how we convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction? See we have to divide. So here we have divide 7 divided by 4. So see, we got 4 ones are 4, question 1 and remainder is 3. Now how we write this? We write this C here, Q, R and D. So we have to move in this way, okay? Means this direction. So which letter is come first? Q. So we write Q. Q means question. Then what will come next? अगर हम ऐसे move करेंगे 3. So we write 3. Okay? Means remainder. We write here. Then see, we will move in that way. So what we got? We got 4. 4 is a divisor. Means D. Now see, I will repeat this thing. First, we will write 1. Then we will move in this way. So what will come? 3. So we write 3 upside. Then what will come next? That is 4. So we write 4. Okay. So this is our conversion into improper fraction into the mixed fraction. We will study about the addition and subtraction of fractions. So here two conditions are given. Okay. We have to satisfy these two conditions. Then we will do addition and subtraction of fractions. So first condition is write all numbers in the form of P by Q. Means we write each and every number or fraction in the P by Q. See, here 2 by 3 is already given. Okay. Now see, 3 is a whole number. So we convert into the P by Q form. How we convert? We write 3 by 1. Okay. Now see, this is a mixed fraction. So how we will convert into the form of P by Q? We write this denominator, means these 3 as it is. And then we have to multiply it. 3 multiplied by 2. That is 6. Then we have to add plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 by 3. See, we got this form. 8 by 3. Now second condition is make the denominator same. Means we have to make the denominator same. For more clarity, let's we solve two examples. Okay. So see, here 4. 4 is a whole number plus 2 by 3. This is a fraction. So first we convert this 4 into the form of P by Q. So how we write this? We write is 4 by 1. Then plus sign as it is. And 2 by 3 is as it is. Now see, this condition is satisfied. Now make the denominator same. See, here our denominators are not same. So we will make our denominator same. So how we will make our denominator same? We follow the LCM method. So LCM of 1 and 3. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. Our LCM is 3. Now need to do denominator is equals to 3. See, we got the LCM 3. So now we will make the denominator same, means equal to the 3. See, here 3 is already given. Denominator is already given 3. But here 1 is given. So we will make these 3. So how we will make this denominator 3? We will multiply it by 3. So 1 multiplied by 3. Then we also multiply numerator by 3. Why we multiply? See, here we have to multiply. यहाँ पे भी हमने क्यों multiply किया है? Because in the mathematics rule is that when we multiply denominator, so we also multiply the same number with numerator. Okay? Then plus sign then 2 by 3. Now see here 3 is already given, so we multiply it by 1. Now 4 3s are 12 and 3 1s are means 1 multiplied by 3. So 3, then plus sign, then 2 and 3. Now see, our denominators are same. So now we will add these fractions. So we write denominator one time, then 12 plus 2. So that is 14 by 3. Now see, this is in improper fraction. So first we will convert into the mixed fraction. So we will divide this 14 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. Remainder 2. Now see, we will move in this direction. Okay. So first what will come? 4. Then what will come? 2. Then what will come? 3. So our answer is 4 2 by 3. Now we will solve another example. Another example is 2 minus 3 by 5. So see, here whole number is given. So we will convert P by Q form. So we write as 2 by 1. Then as it is. Now see, here 1 and 5 is given. So our denominators are not same. So we will make our denominators same. So we will make, first we will do LCM. So 5 1s are 5. Our LCM is 5. Now we got LCM 5. Now need to do denominator is equals to 5. Now see, now need to do denominator is equal to 5. Okay. So here denominator is already 5 given and here 1 is given. So we will make this denominator is equal to 5. So we will multiply it by 5, numerator and denominator also. So 1 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5. Okay. Then minus sign. Then 3 by 5. We multiply it by 1. Why? Because 5 is already given. Okay. So 10, 5, then 3 and 5. See, now our denominators are same. So we write this denominator one time. 5, then 10 minus 3. Okay. So we got 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is in improper fraction. So we will convert into the mixed fraction. So here we divide 7 by 5. So 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2. Now we will move in this direction. First what will come? 1. Then what will come? 2. Then what will come? 5. So we write 1 2 by 5. Okay. This is our answer.